said, can you tell me? One of my friends just told me, like, if you meet any other Goan, just call them father. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for the love and support you all have given to me. Thank you so much. तुमगे मोग असो एसोच आणि म्हाका जायत्यो मेसेजेस येयल्यो की आरे तूं गोवन व्हिडिओ कित्याक कोन्ना तूं इतले व्हिडिओ केलो हाय. So this is for the knees going card there now. So let's get started. So this is basically when you are like going outside or like out of Goa or anywhere and you meet the outsiders basically from any other state from outside of the Goa, like any other state in India. When you meet that kind of those strangers or the people around there and they be like, where are you from? And you know it is coming from a long way and then you be ready and you be like, oh, I'm from Goa. And then the lights hit up and there's gonna be like Goa. So basically your lunch, your breakfast, your dinner, all daru, huh? Daru. And you guys must be partying all night. No, it's Goa. Houses on the beaches and everything. Party every night. Daru every day, every night. You must be having your must life, man, in Goa. Goa is a dream for every other state in India, man. Goa is life, man. It is a jannat. So, guys, these are the things are mostly said by the outsiders to every other Goan. But to be honest with you, it's not only about Daru in Goa. Yes, it is so cheap and no tax and all, but it is like in the morning, lunchtime, dinner time, we don't have Daru all the time because we have some certain thing to do in life as well. And they think, oh, if you are in Goa, you basically have a house next to the beach. So please consider that Goa is like not only for Daru, we have beautiful places to visit. There are it is also known for coconut trees, then the fish curry, rice, crabs, fresh fish, nustia, animagi. It is also known like Goan weddings are so popular over there. So basically it's not only known for Daru, so please don't, you know, daru kon echo enko nakayamka. So yeah, so coming to the next one. So guys, coming to the second point, so we have like, the Goan accent, not that accent which you make fun of, but we have a Goan accent, the 3 types.
Traditional accent.
Hago Felros, कशा आसा गो तू? जेवले मगो? जेवणाक कितें आसलें गो तुमच्या? नुस्तें कितें आसलें गो नुस्तें? कशें आसलें गो तूं? भुरगीं बाळ कशीं आसा? पयशे करता आसतलीं ना गो?
North accent.
बॉय खंय रे तूं? मामी डॅडी खंय हाय तुमची? फॅमिली बा सगळी घोट मरे? आनी फेस्तां बा काजरां बा खंय चलता? मेवची आमी चल बरो करून.
South accent.
हॅलो तेरेजीन केश आहा गो तूं? खबर ना मुगो तुजी? ते पिकनिके मुगो आमी कितकोन गेलो जाण तूं? रोड सांगता. मामी ते रोड सांग गे तो कोलो वचपाचो. तो मुगो रायटान मुगो एश कोन मुखार वचोन तेश वचपा मुगो. हय एक एश कोन तेश कोन मुगो तो सारको. So guys, these are the 3 accents you will get in Goa. So these are the traditional one, the North Goan and the South Goan. These are the 3 accents you will get in Goa. So guys, if your friend or anybody are from Goa especially the boys, the men, and they has to be called as taroti. कित्याक आमगे गोंयकार भाव आयते, may God bless them wherever they are in the world, because they are doing so much of hard work. So जे थारवोटी असते तुमगे घरांत होते नाही. वय one of the lady, हालको फेलीन, केशें हाय भुरगीं बाळ केशें हाय तुगेली, बाब भायर गेला, आगो फेलीन तुगे बाबा बोटीर कित्याक धाडना गो, हांव बोटीर ना मुगो तशी, आमगे गोंय बोट म्हळ्यार फामाद मुगो, बोटीचे पयशे आहा तो भायलगांवा आहा गो, बोटी धाडप जाल्लो मुगो तुवें, कितें गो तूं, आमगे बाबा चोय, आमगे बाबा हिंगा बोटीर वचोन याजमान येयत आहा येयत आहा. हय. So guys, these are the taunts you get from the old ladies. तुमगे घरांत रोटी नाई कोण. And so especially we are known as for the Tharvotis and London car, half London car. And now ata mashe ursala half island car. So if tori goya London car hai Tharvo itun island car hai, जाल्यार गोंय येतली, तुगे चेड्यांनी चोडूं लंडना हाय, तुगे चेड्यान चोडूं आयलँडार हाय कोण. So guys, now coming to the other point. If you are a Goan आणि तुम्ही तरी FC गोवा फॅन नाही, आवय तूं गोंयकार न्हू. If तुगे बार्सलोना तुगे हुंयचे आतां हें आसूं क्लब आसूं, तुगे तो मेन FC गोवा क्लब ना फेवरेट तुगेलो. मागीर the evening snacks, so like रोस आमलेट, मागीर रोस आमलेट खावपाया मरे, काटलेश पाव खावपाया मरे, चॉप्स बीफ चॉप्स खावपाया मरे, चोरीस पाव खावपाया मरे, आनी क्रॉकेट खावपाया मरे. ते आक्षे ते हें आहा मरे तें बीफ कटलेटू तें खावपाया मरे. So guys, these are the things in Goa they be like, ye hapaya, te hapaya. So these are the main thing, the evening snack of every other Goan. Agree with me if you're right. If you think I'm right, please comment down below. Magi, आमगे गोंयकारांगे एक स्पेशलिटी आहा. मुगली being but आनी दुसऱ्या गोंयकारांनी आहा. So that is the thing, teaching a bad word to a foreigner. Yes. So hey guys, I'm from Goa. Bawa te maka be impresso ma. Modena ka. Kung chulo ere maka dito English yung kota. Yeah, I mean, okay, yeah, from Goinkat. Yes, yes. Uh, oh yeah, you pulled that from Goa, is it? Can you tell me? One of my friends just told me like, if you meet any other Goan, just call them father. Call them father. Father, wait, father. Father, ani kitang to smart was person sang that. What does father means? Oh, that's a kitang pajem. Podo means you are a smart person. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So Podo means a smart guy, is it? I think you brought two boys as very smart guy. So I would call you. You were you pulled a very photos, my friend. You're very bold photos. Uh, and you pulled a heart. Yeah, me both. So guys, these are the things which are normally done and this is kind of a different vibe in Goa, especially with the foreigners. So no offense, guys, take it in a light way. So moga so